An experienced pharmacist revealed the secret. Just drip lemon on the papaya. I haven't had that problem anymore. If someone is facing problems like constipation or abdominal swelling, a simple spoonful of this powerful mixture can make all the difference. For this recipe has the potential to transform the health of many. It all starts with the papaya, recognized for its digestive properties and richness in fibers, minerals, and vitamins. However, the secret lies in its seeds, often overlooked. These seeds, frequently discarded, are actually the key ingredient for preparation. Wash them properly before proceeding, and, with the help of a mortar, grind about 10 papaya seeds, or 5 for children, until you get a fine consistency. Add the juice of half a lemon to the mixture. This powerful elixir goes beyond simply reducing cholesterol. It works as an effective anti-parasitic, destabilizing and expelling unwanted parasites from the digestive system. Furthermore, its laxative properties help eliminate toxins and impurities that may accumulate in the intestine, preventing cancer and aiding in weight loss by blocking the absorption of fats and sugars. Try this drink for 3 consecutive days and observe the amazing results. Many witness the expulsion of parasites as early as the 2nd day. By regularly integrating lemon and papaya into your diet, you promote exceptional intestinal health. Both have natural anti-inflammatory properties that reduce intestinal inflammation, alleviating symptoms of conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Moreover, the vitamin C in lemon strengthens the immune system, protecting against infections and promoting long-term intestinal health. It's important to remember that health is not just about nutrition. Regular physical activity, stress reduction, and cultivating healthy sleep habits are equally essential for overall well-being. The harmony between mind, body, and spirit is the true secret to a full and healthy life. So take this opportunity to take care of yourself and your family. Experiment with incorporating small positive changes into your daily routine and observe the positive impacts they can bring. With dedication and care, it's possible to achieve a state of health and vitality that allows you to fully enjoy everything life has to offer.